Cockpit. This is the lazarette. It's got plenty of storage room underneath there. It's got 150 gallons worth of diesel in there. It's got a fighting chair right here, so you can fight. You can fight the fish on. Salt water, fresh water. Shower right here, hot and cold water coming out when you want to take a shower. Got a shower right here inside the cockpit. When you come off diving with a good ladder, easy access. You don't have to put your chin up to your nose to get off of it. Okay, nice. Got escape hatches here. Got rod holders here. A chest for storing all your bait, tackle, and barbecue pits. And it's got water sink right here. Freshwater sink right here. For outside. 110 right here. Got water hose bib right here too. The table that comes up. It's got a holding pole that I put in. Something to hold on to. This is a brand new umbrella. Just made. The Helms chairs in good shape. It's Todd. Starboard, they're not plywood, they're starboard with rain gutters in them. I put rain gutters in them so no water gets underneath there. This is all storage under here too. Big storage. I keep a life raft and everything, a 6-man life raft up in there. Got good visibility. Yeah, really great visibility. Got all your instruments here. And I have an intercom phone for downstairs, engine room, and main salon downstairs too. Got a big windlass panel. We've got a solar panel above on the arch where the radar is.
100 watt panel.
100 watt panel. The inside of the salon. These are brand new. 2 Italian-made refrigerators. Just put those on last year. They were $4 grand. That's a freezer, that's a refrigerator. Nice and cold. This is the refrigerator, and this is another one. Another refrigerator. This is the ice maker. Get a good ice. And here's the panel. The engine room as well. It's got lots of room in the engine room. 2 135 Perkins diesels. They've got about 1,700 hours total time on both of them. I change the oil every 150 hours on it. It's got 400 gallon a day Village Marine water maker, 12 kW Westerbeek generator. This right here is brand new. I put a new electrical part on it last year. It's only probably 3 months, 4 months old. It's probably got less than 50 hours on it right here. The generator part has 3,400 hours on it, the diesel part. It should run for another 10,000 miles or 10,000 hours. The All the hoses are new on the engine.
Yeah, great job of labeling everything.
Yeah.
So new hoses on the engine.
And new impellers. The engines are freshwater cooled, and I flush them with fresh water when it sits, when they leave the boat.
Mm-hmm.
Right now they're sitting in fresh water. So I have a freshwater washout system on everything, including the air conditioners.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
The air conditioners are not in salt water either.
Great.
It's got 3 air conditioners. This one's a brand new one because it was giving me a little bit of problem, so I just put a new one on. You can see the panel right there. Everything's wired and labeled. All the labels are on it. The labels are on the back of the door here. You can see that. How it goes. Okay.
It's a dream. It's almost too easy.
It has a workbench. It has a holding tank for waste, of course.
Mm-hmm.
Hot water heater. The engines produce plenty of hot water. You don't even have to use the hot water heater.
Mm-hmm.
You get scalding water when the engines are running. It's got 12 volt and 110 on the lights. Fluorescent.
Oh, nice.
Watch it.
I'll get the V-berth first.
V-berth. It's got a double berth right here. This has a part that goes in there. This is one of the heads. Helm here. It's got a Ferrino fish finder and depth finder, digital depth finder, a GPS, autopilot, Raytheon autopilot. This comes up, you can see all
Man, look at that.
all the wiring. You can look down in here. You can see it or not in there. See, everything's labeled. And radar. This folds down. It cranks down to a double bed here, and got the mattresses for it also. Lots of storage in the galley. You can see the stove. Looks like it's never even been used hardly. Yeah. It's got these are all. Keep all of the instruments there. Every step has
Wow.
storage.
All right.
Got hold on. Help you. It holds 950 gallons of fuel. I burn 650 every year to go to the Bahamas and back for 3 months. It's got plenty of more storage on both sides.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's got a navigation desk or a sit-down desk here.
Mm-hmm.
That's a ham radio, single sideband ham radio right there, all wired with the head here. You can see the bathroom. Got a nice shower, hot shower in it.
Mm-hmm.
Washer and dryer in here, but I didn't. I took out the washer and dryer and put it in a freezer instead. Small freezer.